Alright, picture this. You're running your business with video content on your site, doing the best you can. But then, bam, you're hit with a lawsuit in your inbox, all because of the Video Privacy Protection Act, or VPPA. This sounds scary, right? Well, don't worry. Captain Compliance is here to break it down for you and help you stay in the clear. So here's the deal. Back in 1988, the VPPA passed to stop video rental stores, think Blockbuster for example, from sharing your video rental history without your okay. Fast forward to today, and the law has changed quite a bit. Now, if your video streams videos or uses tools like tracking pixels, you could be held responsible for how you handle your viewers' data. For example, tools like Meta's Pixel can track who's watching your videos and what they're watching. So if this data is shared without proper consent, you might find yourself in hot waters with the VPPA. And violating the VPPA is not just a slap on the wrist. Violations can cost upwards of $2,500 per person affected, plus attorney fees and other costs. Yikes. But fear not, because there's good news. The good news is that avoiding VPPA related headaches is totally doable with a few proactive steps. Here are 4 simple ways to keep your business safe and your consumers' trust intact. First up, transparency is your best friend. You want to make it clear to users on your website what data you're collecting, why you need it, and how you'll protect it. You'll want to answer big questions like, are you sharing my data with anyone? How secure is my information? And the more upfront you are, the more trust you'll build with your consumers. Next is to always get permission. Before collecting a single data point, use cookie banners or cookie consent forms that are easy to understand. Users should explicitly say yes before you start tracking their data. And don't forget about those cookie preferences. Keep them up to date, especially if your policies change or a new law rolls out. Regular updates show you're serious about privacy. Finally, is to minimize what you track. Only collect data you actually need and steer clear away from sensitive personal information. Plus, cleaning up old data is key. You don't want to hold on to anything you're not using. At Captain Compliance, we get it. Privacy feels overwhelming. But with the right tools and guidance, Captain Compliance can help guide your business to stay out of the court and earn your customers' trust. Are you ready to take the guesswork out of compliance? Captain Compliance is here to help your business stay ahead of the game. Book a demo today to learn how we can safeguard your business.